Hello and welcome to Chef Carter's Cooking Corner. So today on Chef Carter's Cooking Corner, I am making a tropical ice cream, and the main ingredients are bananas, pineapple, and that's the main flavoring. So I'm going to take a can of crushed pineapples and add it to 1 cup of sugar, which I know is a lot of sugar, but this is a dessert. So let me go ahead and mix that together. So this is a strange combination. I learned this recipe in college when I was taking my culinary classes, and it seemed very strange to me, but it became my favorite recipe. Alright, so then I want to add to it 1 can of evaporated milk. So let me show this to you. Evaporated. Alright, and then I'm going to add a banana to this. So I had all the ingredients in the refrigerator so everything's nice and cold when it goes into the ice cream machine. Okay. Alright, and so I'll go ahead and add the bananas when we get it into the canister. Alright, I'll be right back with the canister. Alright, so I have the canister right here. Here's the base. So the canister is frozen. It's been in the freezer for over 24 hours. I'm going to go ahead and put my pineapple mixture in there. Scrape some of that out. Alright, now I'm going to put my bananas in there. Alright, so just about half, because I had 2 bananas, but it only calls for 1. I'm going to use the bananas for something else. So this is the paddle right here. So the paddle goes in there. The cover goes on. Make sure I get this lined up correctly. Alright, and now I got to plug it in. I don't know if you can see that well. Okay, so now I have it plugged in. So yeah, I have a Cuisinart. It's a Cuisinart frozen yogurt ice cream and sorbet maker. So there we go. So we're going to let it run for 20 minutes. Alright, so it's been a couple minutes running. It's mixing it all up. Yummy, yummy. You can see the banana chunks in there. I cannot wait to try this. It's been like it's been a few years since I made this recipe. Alright, it's been running for about 15 minutes. Got 5 more minutes. Just wanted to take a look at it. Alright, it's been 20 minutes. Let me go ahead and turn off the machine. Remove the canister. Well, that was the cover. This is the paddle attachment. Oh, it's like frozen in there. Can you? Okay, so I have a container here. I'm going to go ahead and pour it in. And it's kind of like soft serve right now. Alright, so I'm putting it in this container. And yeah, it's an ice cream, a reused ice cream container. But hey, it works. So yeah, so you want to put it in the refrigerator to ripen for about an hour or so. And that just basically means it's going to harden up some more. So, I'm sorry, you can't see what I'm doing. This is awkward. Alright, so there we go. There's my ice cream. I'm going to try it. It's really good, I know already. That's the bomb diggity, y'all. Alright. Well, thank you for joining me for Chef Carter's Cooking Corner. Alrighty. Well, here's my ice cream. And so it's been sitting for a couple hours in the freezer. It is, like you can see on the sides, it's getting more firm. So, but it's basically ice cream.